Want to know why you should wear a hoodie in the outdoors? I'll show you a quick hack if you stick around. Welcome back to another episode of Bushcraft Basics. So, I love hoodies, especially these pullover kind like this, for several reasons. One, you can layer this with a jacket for more warmth. Two, bundled up, it takes almost no room in your pack when you don't want to be wearing it. And three, in just a few moments, I'll show you how you can turn this hoodie into a pillow. And I've used this hack many times. You open up the hood, you take the main body of the hoodie, kind of rolling everything up, arms included, and you just shove everything in here. You find the drawstrings, which kind of got sucked in there while I'm doing that. There's one. Here's the other. And you basically draw the strings down over the body, and there's your pillow. A very simple improvised pillow that you can use in camp. And that completes this episode of Bushcraft Basics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later out in those woods.